Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel and I'm back with my new video. So let's get started. So today I'm going to tell you 7 must read books for UPSC preparation. These 7 books are very important in your whole preparation. So let's get started. First book is Indian Polity by M. Lakshmikant. This book is a cornerstone for understanding the Indian political system and constitution. It covers topics like the structure of government, fundamental rights, and the relationship between different branches of the government. And the second book is India After Gandhi by Ramchandra Guha, a detailed and engaging narrative of India's journey after gaining independence. This book provides a critical analysis of India's political, social, economic developments. It helps aspirants understand the complexities of post-independence India. And third book is Indian Economy by Ramesh Singh. This book offers a comprehensive understanding of the Indian economy, including its structure, policies, and recent developments. It is crucial for grasping the economic aspects of the UPSC syllabus. Fourth book is A Brief History of Modern India by Rajiv Ahir. This book provides a concise and well-structured overview of India's modern history, covering the period from the 18th century to the present day. It is a valuable resource for understanding the historical context of contemporary India. Fifth book is Geography of India by Majid Hussain. This book is comprehensive guide to the Indian geographical landscape, including its physical features, climate, resources, and population. It helps aspirants understand the geographical dimensions relevant to the UPSC exam. Sixth important books are NCRT of class 6 to 12. NCRT books form the foundation for various subjects in UPSC syllabus. They provide clear and concise explanation of core concepts in history, geography, economics, polity, and sociology, which are essential for building a strong base. Seventh and last important book is Environment and Ecology by Shankar IAS Academy. This book is a comprehensive resource for the environment and ecology section of the syllabus. It covers topics like biodiversity, pollution, climate change, and conservation efforts. So guys, that's it for today. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.